Hi everyone, welcome to another What's Next video. Hi everyone, welcome to another What's Next video here in North County, San Diego, California. I'm in Duluth Canyon and my name is Ricky, and today is Easter. It's also Transgender Awareness Day. I'm not too sure that people have to be aware of trans people, but in any case, that's the day it is, and it's not meant to be on Easter. It just happens to fall on that day. Today it's raining again. 2 days in a row I've been stuck inside this little trailer here. I want to get out and take a look at what's going on with the farm. Maybe we'll go look at the pond. I'm sure it's overflowing. I'm going to see the waterfall down there and see how much more water we have gotten out here today. Hopefully, and think about an hour and a half or so, the weather says it's going to be a break. I'll put my rain boots on because it's going to be really muddy, and we'll go all the way down to the hill and then come back up again. It'll be a short video, but at least I get a little exercise. It's about maybe a half a mile of a walk, and that's better than nothing because I'm tired of being stuck. So anyway, so far so good. Everything is well. All my plants in my greenhouse are doing good. We'll look at that, and with that I'm going to cut the video, go back inside, wait till the rain stops, and we'll come back out later. Some of you have seen this shade cloth that I've got going on here. There's a lot of water going on out there right at the moment, but with the way this rain works out here in the canyon, the wind blows in here quite heavily, and this keeps my awning here from flying up, keeps the rain from flying in here, because as the thunderstorms come in here, the wind gets pretty hard and it comes straight up that canyon right down through here. And that's a canyon that goes all the way down about 11 miles. Just perfect channel for the wind to blow up here, and it does a pretty good job. So I'm going to start my oven, my little outdoor oven there, and I'm going to cook a little bit of meatballs. I think I'm going to have a spaghetti dinner tonight. But I'll open this up and we'll take a walk a little later. So every time I want to go out, it starts doing this again. That's a little bit of hail along with this heavy duty rain. And the weather forecast says it's supposed to be clear. I'll also be ready in about 26 minutes. Little rain boots. We'll go walking pretty soon. Okay, hi everyone. I have to go for a walk. I'm getting stir crazy for 2 days sitting in one spot, so I'm going to take a walk with my umbrella. There's no lightning going on, so my lightning rod here isn't going to scare me. It's sprinkling right now. Hopefully won't have one of those giant rainstorms or big giant dumps on me while I'm on my way down. Let's go see what the pond looks like. And also I need to get a couple tangerines, some mandarins. This is what I'm going to eat for my dessert tonight, and off we go. Look at those turkey vultures out there. Holy moly, there are a lot of them there today. There's a lot of birds. Can you see them all? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 Turkey Buzzards, 19, 20, 21. That's a lot. There's a lot of those guys out there today. I wonder what they're waiting for. Not me, I hope. Oh, it is still sprinkling. Well, let's go see how much rain that we get. We get. Oh, my lettuce is loving it. Look at that curly lettuce. Freckled romaine and arugula. Oh my goodness. My greenhouse is still there. That didn't blow away. And this is how much rain we got. Holy moly. That's in 2 days. That's about 4 inches of rain in that bucket. Yeah, there's a lot of rain in there. Oh. So, let's head on down. Oh, the grapes have grown about 2 inches too. Aren't they pretty? Okay, let's head on down. Yep, it's still raining. Hopefully it won't be a big gully washer on the way down. But this umbrella is keeping me pretty dry. And there's no wind at this time. Not till tonight. Then we have thunderstorms and wind coming in. Oh good, they have not picked my favorite tree. This is my favorite tangerine mandarin right there. They're a satsuma, a seedless, wonderful, oh wonderful, wonderful. And boy, it's starting to rain again. Let's keep going. Look at all that water. Let's stop and see. There's water running down there on that creek. That's called Camps Creek. Yep. And that means the pond's probably full. Look at that gopher, just took that piece of something into his burrow. That was funny. Well, not enough water to run the pond over yet. Maybe tomorrow? It depends on how much more rain we get today. We got another 4 feet before it'll go over again. So, heading back. Look at all the blooms coming on to all these lemon trees. Oh, they're all wet. You guys don't look too happy up there. A little soggy, huh? Well, I made it back without getting wet. So, that'll be the end of the video today. Until next time, thanks for watching. I'm going in.